Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa okuzwelonke uJenene Fani Masimula udalule ukuthi amanye amaphoyisa athinteke ekhomshaneni kaMadlanga asemisiwe emsebenzini. Masimula ukusho lokhu namhlanje ngesikhathi ethula umbiko we-SAPS ngokuhlaluka esigcawini sekhomishana kaMadlanga kanye nomkhankaso wezokuphepha ngesikhathi samaholide asehlobo.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa uthi kujutshwe ithimba elizoqapha ukuqhubeka kophenyo lwekhomishana kaMadlanga. Uthi amaphoyisa athintekayo ophenyweni lale khomishana ayaphenywa kanti amanye avela semisiwe emsebenzini.
This team would ultimately ensure that disciplinary processes are followed in line with the SAPS disciplinary regulations. To date, members whose names were mentioned at both committees have been identified. We cannot at this stage, of course, mention their names, but as the case are still under investigation, all the affected members have received the notices of investigation into the alleged misconduct. And hearings and investigations are at advanced stage, and of course, there are those that are already on suspension.
Masimula uthi ube impumelelo umkhankaso wamaphoyisa okuphepha ngesikhathi samaholide asehlobo edlule.
Throughout this period, the law enforcement agencies went beyond the call of duty, often under challenging and demanding conditions, to disrupt criminal networks, remove illegal firearms and dangerous weapons from our communities, and of course, also to bring from the road, off the road, those that drives under the influence of liquor.
Lo mkhankaso wethulwe ngoLwezi nyakenye uholele ekuboshweni kwabantu abaningi ngamacala obugebengu ehlukene.